Do you love peanut butter? That rich, creamy, and fragrant flavor is irresistible to most people. But have you ever wondered about the journey those peanuts take? From the fields to the jar in your hands? Join me as we take a deep dive into the fascinating process behind this everyday treat. You might be surprised by the amazing journey it goes through before it reaches your kitchen. Ready to find out? Let's get started. Come with me to the fertile land of Georgia, where fields of peanuts stretch as far as the eye can see, lush and vibrant. Deep beneath the soil lies a treasure waiting to be uncovered. Georgia is the peanut capital of the United States, producing 2.5 million tons of peanuts each year, nearly half of the nation's total output. Amidst these vast peanut fields, giant machines, like metal monsters, work tirelessly. They plow, uproot, and expose endless rows of shiny brown peanuts hidden beneath the rich, fertile earth. The plump, round peanuts, freshly rescued from the soil, now bask in the golden sunshine of the American South. This is the crucial drying phase, lasting about 2 days, which determines the quality and shelf life of the peanuts. The sunlight not only dries the outer shells, significantly reducing moisture levels, but also helps prevent the growth of mold and harmful bacteria, preserving the peanuts' delicious flavor and extending their shelf life. Additionally, drying the peanuts makes it easier to separate them from the plant stems. After the drying phase in the fields, the peanuts are harvested using specialized machinery. The harvester performs 2 key functions simultaneously. It separates the peanuts from the plant and performs an initial screening to remove impurities. The peanuts are then transported via conveyor belts and collected in large storage bins. This mechanized process boosts labor productivity, reduces waste, and ensures the cleanliness of the raw material. The use of large storage bins not only helps with efficient storage and preservation, but also facilitates the smooth transportation of peanuts to the processing plants. The raw peanuts are transported to the processing plant by specialized trucks. Once there, they go through an initial cleaning system that removes impurities such as dirt, rocks, twigs, leaves, and metals. The cleaning system typically includes screening, size sorting, magnetic separation to remove metal, and an air-blowing system to eliminate dust. This cleaning process ensures that the raw materials meet quality standards, removing anything that could damage the processing equipment or affect the final product's quality. The peanuts are then sent through a state-of-the-art shelling machine. Did you know that January 24th is celebrated around the world as National Peanut Butter Day? It's a time to honor this delicious, nutritious, and beloved spread. But while peanut butter has so many great benefits, it's also important to remember that peanuts are one of the most common food allergens. So, if you have any concerns about peanut allergies, always be cautious and make sure to read labels carefully before consuming. Are you allergic to peanuts? Feel free to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below so we can raise awareness and have a conversation about this important topic. In just moments, the rough outer shells disappear, revealing plump, shiny peanuts. But the journey doesn't end there. The peanuts are then transferred to an advanced vibrating screening system. Here, the machine operates rhythmically, meticulously removing any underdeveloped, broken, or substandard peanuts. After the mechanical sorting process, the high-quality peanuts are carefully inspected again by skilled workers. With quick yet precise hands, they check each peanut one more time. This is not just another step in the process. It's a reflection of the dedication and responsibility invested in every product. It is the harmonious blend of technology and human craftsmanship that ensures absolute accuracy, eliminating even the smallest imperfections and delivering perfect quality in every batch. However, the highest quality peanuts, after passing through a series of inspections, are taken for roasting. The high temperature during roasting makes the peanut skins crisp and easy to remove, making the peeling process much simpler. While the skins contain some nutrients, they affect the smoothness and color of peanut butter. Roasting also helps reduce the moisture content in the peanuts, giving the peanut butter a smoother, creamier texture after grinding, preventing clumping and improving shelf life. This initial roasting process brings out the peanut's signature aroma, enhancing the flavor of the peanut butter and making it irresistibly delicious. And now comes the most eagerly awaited moment. The process of turning those premium peanuts into a smooth, creamy, and aromatic mixture. What sets this process apart is the strict control over the grinding speed, which is maintained at a steady, slow pace. This is crucial to prevent the peanuts from overheating, which could lead to burning or oil separation, both of which would affect the flavor and overall quality of the final product. During grinding, carefully selected premium ingredients are added according to a meticulously researched formula, including natural cane sugar, pure sea salt, raw honey, and refined vegetable oil. Notably, a natural emulsifier is also used in the right proportion, acting as the perfect binder to prevent oil separation, while giving the peanut butter its signature smooth, velvety texture. And now, we arrive at the final step, closing the loop on this carefully crafted peanut butter production process. Watch as the clear glass jars are gradually filled with smooth, delicious peanut butter. Here, the automatic filling and sealing machines work in perfect harmony with absolute precision, ensuring that each jar captures the full, fresh flavor of the peanut butter. Every creamy drop is carefully poured in, and the lid is sealed immediately to preserve the taste and freshness of the product. But it doesn't stop there. Each jar is then dressed in an eye-catching package, designed not only to provide all the necessary product information, but also to enhance the value and appeal of our peanut butter. Besides making smooth peanut butter, peanuts can also be turned into crunchy snacks. Have you ever wondered how many different kinds of snacks can be made from these tiny peanuts? From the salty crunch of roasted peanuts, to the sweet delight of peanut brittle, and the irresistible aroma of chocolate-covered peanuts, each snack has its own distinct and tempting flavor. The peanuts, after being removed from their outer shells, are transferred by conveyor belts into standard mesh trays. This is where an important process begins, the blanching process using hot water. The peanuts are carefully soaked in warm water for a controlled period of time. This soaking process softens the outer skins and begins to lightly cook the peanuts. When they are later fried, the outer shell becomes crispier and crunchier, creating that satisfying crunch when you bite into them. The hot water soak helps the peanuts retain their natural moisture, preventing them from becoming overly dry during frying. As a result, the peanuts maintain their natural sweetness and tenderness inside, while the outer shell becomes perfectly crisp. The peanuts now enter the exciting frying process. This is a crucial step that determines the flavor and crispiness of the final product. The frying oil temperature is carefully controlled, ranging from 320 degrees Fahrenheit to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. If the temperature is too low, the peanuts will absorb too much oil, becoming soft and losing their signature crunch. On the other hand, if the temperature is too high, the outer shell will burn quickly while the inside remains undercooked, affecting the overall quality. The frying time is also carefully calculated, as prolonging it can cause the peanuts to become dry and overcooked. Typically, it only takes 3 to 5 minutes in hot oil for the peanuts to reach the perfect level of crispiness, with a golden brown color and a delicious aroma. After going through the perfect frying process, the golden peanuts are moved to the drying stage, where excess oil is removed and the peanuts become even crispier. Next, they are gently transferred along a conveyor belt, ready for the seasoning step. Here, a fine layer of pure salt is evenly sprinkled over each peanut. The thin layer of oil left after frying acts as a natural binder, helping the salt stick to each peanut, creating a perfectly balanced salty flavor that awakens all the senses. In addition to the crispy salted peanuts, a selected batch of peanuts continues their journey to the modern chocolate coating machines. Here, the peanuts are gently bathed in a smooth, melted flow of chocolate, completely enveloping every crevice. Immediately after, a cooling process is applied to quickly harden the chocolate, wrapping it around the peanut to create a shiny, irresistible outer layer. This process not only ensures the chocolate coats the peanuts perfectly, but also results in high-quality chocolate-covered peanuts, meeting the growing and refined tastes of consumers. Here, the crispy peanuts are gently poured into pre-prepared cans. The weighing process is carried out with precision, ensuring that each can meets the required weight, delivering consistency in quality for every product. Finally, the cans are carefully sealed, locking in the delicious flavor and crispiness of the peanuts, ready to be delivered to consumers. If you find this journey interesting and want to discover more fascinating secrets about the food production process, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss a video.